everyone, it is your girl Nene here, and let's get into this video really fast because I got stuff to do, like make dinner. So I just recently collaborated with another hair company. I am not a person to just, sell something because somebody tell me to sell it. You know what I mean? So I asked them if they can send me a test sample, and they sent me a whole package of things. Woo! And I just want to go over the contents of what's in this bag. So let's get into it. And you know what? I am very excited to try it out. So, so first and foremost, all of this is free, right? Woo! This is my logo on a little backpack, so I am going to be wearing this. Woo! So let's see what's inside. Oh, they made me a little baggie with my logo on it.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, they gave me lashes with my logo on it. So they're serious about working together. HD lace wig cap, baby. And then, what is this? Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a bonnet. Oh, I absolutely love the inside of it. Oh my gosh. But it is a bonnet that freaking shrinks to your head size. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Y'all gonna be seeing me in this all the time when I don't got my wigs on, honey. Oh, I absolutely love that. Another thing. Oh, man. They made me... They made me my own little... Oh, I absolutely love them. Oh, man. So, I absolutely appreciate, like, small things. And they really do want to work with me. I can tell, because, Oh, that was sweet. Okay, so now, they sent me one bundle of their raw hair and one bundle of their super virgin hair and a closure. I'm gonna test it. And see, look, everything with my brand on it. Like, I absolutely love it. The bags, the everything. The bundles. So, I am gonna actually test this out, this closure. But I am interested in seeing or feeling the difference between both bundles. So, this is the super virgin hair. And this is the raw hair. So let's see, because I know, I can tell the difference. Like, I've been doing hair for 20 years, baby. So first and foremost, okay, this is what the bundle looks like. Okay. This is 10 inches. My honest opinion, just off the rip, is it is extremely soft. No smell. It is extremely soft. And this is just the super virgin hair. Like, look at that. Yeah, this hair feels bomb as hell. Okay, so we're going to put that down. Baby, I know raw. Okay, so first off, we're going to go and it's super soft. No tangles. No smell. Oh, that's so important. And this is how you'll be able to tell the difference between raw, is how they're packaged. I mean, clearly how they feel, but also how they're packaged. So raw, virgin. Honey, this raw hair, like, when I tell you, like literally from root to tip. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, ma'am. I absolutely, look at the shine. There's like no split hairs. It's very bouncy. Oh man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they both, but you can even see the difference. You can see the color difference. The raw hair is a natural 1B, and the super virgin hair is a bit of a darker color, but you can tell. And oh my gosh. So yes, I will be doing a huge sale because I need people to witness this. You guys stay tuned. I will be doing a video on processing both of these. I'm going to be bleaching them to see how well they bleach. I want to see if they can get to at least 27, but I'm pretty sure it can get to a 613, this raw hair. I'm pretty sure both of them can. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe if you don't mind. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on all social media platforms. I mean, the next part of this video, I will leave all of my social media platforms. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. Bye. Mwah.